Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní ni bí èdè Yorùbá ṣe di kíkọ sílẹ̀. How Yoruba became a written language. Àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun tí wọ́n wá sí ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ ní Áfíríkà fún òwò ẹrú ṣíṣe àti àwọn ìjọ CMS ni wọ́n ṣe agbátẹrù bí èdè Yorùbá ṣe di kíkọ sílẹ̀. That is, the whites who came to Africa in conjunction with the CMS Church alongside with the freed slaves are those that made it possible for Yoruba language to be a written language. Kókó ohun tí ó mú àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun yìí ní ìfẹ́ sí èdè Yorùbá ni pé yóò ṣe ìrànwọ́ fún ìtànkálẹ̀ ìyìnrere wọn. And the reason why they love to learn the Yoruba language is because it will help them in spreading the gospel. Ilẹ̀ Saro in Sierra Leone, Ilẹ̀ Saro in Yoruba is Sierra Leone, ni wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ jókòó láti sọ èdè Yorùbá di èdè tí wọ́n ń kọ sílẹ̀ ní ìlú Freetown. It is in Sierra Leone, in Freetown, that they sat down and ensured that Yoruba became a written language. Àwọn tí ó kópa nínú kíkọ èdè Yorùbá sílẹ̀, the members of committee that sat with Ọ̀mọ̀wé Bowditch, that is Dr. Bowditch, Arábìnrin Anna Kilham, Miss Anna Kilham, Bishop Ajayi Crowther, Bishop Ajayi Crowther, Àlùfáà John Rabban, that's Reverend John Rabban, Àlùfáà C.A. Gulma, that is Reverend C.A. Gulma, Ọ̀mọ̀wé Avezak, Dr. Avezak, Erin Townsend àti Ọ̀mọ̀wé Clapperton. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àkọ́tọ̀ èdè Yorùbá. Àkọ́tọ̀ ni ìlànà tí à ń tẹ̀lé láti kọ èdè sílẹ̀ ní ọ̀nà tí ó bá ìgbà mu. We are looking at Yoruba orthography. That is, we are looking at how Yoruba words are spelled in the modern way. So we'll be looking at the old spellings and the new spellings. Sípẹ́lì àtijọ́, ẹyẹ, sípẹ́lì òde òní, ẹyẹ. You can see there's a little difference in the spellings. If you look at it very well, you see that there is I in the first one and there is no I in the second one. And it applies aya, aya, aye, aye, ofa, ofa. You can see the way ofa is written. There is no consonant clusters in Yoruba language. Okay, see ìṣùpọ̀ consonants nínú èdè Yoruba. Hence, it's a single F. Èbúté Mẹ́ta, Òṣogbo. You can see the consonant clusters I talked about. Ṣàgámù, notice the consonant cluster. Ṣakí àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So, you will see that the old spellings have been changed. Do you understand? Very good. Thanks for listening. See you in our next class. Bye.